Hello everybody, welcome to A Fiber Addict. I'm Deanna, and today I'm going to be going over with you how to get started doing a magic circle, which is one of the two primary methods of starting a crochet project. The materials that you'll need to get started is yarn in a worsted or medium weight, a crochet hook, I'm using a size I, and scissors. The purpose of doing a magic circle is going to be to complete a project that starts in the round. Some granny squares you may have will start in the round, and also a lot of beanies will start in the round. The way that I start is I take the tail end and I put it between my pinky finger and my ring finger, about halfway through my fingers, and then I pull from the outside with my working end to the inside of my hand, and then I take it back in. And I just tuck it in somewhere just to kind of keep a grasp on it. And then I take my crochet hook and I work underneath the tail end portion, pull the working end portion, and then pull another working end portion, and pull it over the tail end and through that loop that I made. And now you'll have a little knot right there. And then if you were going to crochet, you crochet in the direction of your hook. So if I were going to do like a double crochet, instead of going into a loop, I'm going into the circle. So let me show you that all from the beginning, all the way again. To undo it, you just pull. So, dead end of my yarn between my pinky and my ring finger. Pull it over, go from the outside of my hand to the inside of my hand, pull it up, just wrap it in somewhere just to hold on to it. This is still my tail end, so here's my tail end, and this is my working end. Take my crochet hook, go underneath the tail end portion, pull through my working end, twist it around, grab another working end portion, and pull it through that loop. And then I would just crochet into this. And that is how to make a magic circle. And you would just continue to crochet along the direction of your crochet hook, however many stitches you were supposed to make. I crochet over the working end, but we'll discuss more of these as we get more into the projects in our Crafts of the Month club. I look forward hearing from you guys and seeing you. If you're still learning how to make a chain, please go watch my other video that I just posted also. And if you like these videos, please subscribe. Thank you.